Hi guys, and welcome back to Sophie's Cooking Corner where love cooks. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make fried barbecue sweet and spicy drumstick. Stay tuned guys for this simple and delicious recipe. Welcome back guys, and so what I have here is 10 drumsticks that I had went ahead and cleaned guys. I also peel back the skin. Normally I would remove the skin, but in this case I'm going to be needing the skin because I'm going to be frying the drumsticks. So here you can see my seasonings being displayed, and at this point I'm going to start by doing my seasonings. So guys, since I'm going to be coating the chicken with the flour, I'm just going to go ahead and season the flour as well. If you choose to, you can go ahead and grate your onions and your green seasonings and add to the flour as well. That will give it even a better taste. So guys, let's get down to business. Here in my hand I have few pegs of garlic that crushed, and now I'm adding to the oil. The oil is being heated, and at this point I'm gonna start by coating the chicken drumsticks with the flour that I had seasoned. These drumstick has been marinating for 1 hour, and so it's time for me to start frying them. So guys, basically what I'm doing here is simply pulling back the skin over the chicken before I start coating it with the flour, and this will serve as a protection really to prevent the meat from burning. So guys, now I am through with this first batch of chicken. It's fried and you can see the beautiful brown color of this chicken, and I'm just putting in this container here that I have lined with paper towel just to remove excess oil, and I'll just continue with the process as I started before to complete all the frying. So guys, frying process is over, and at this point you can see the pan of drumsticks, and what I'm gonna start by doing now is coating with my sauce. I have here in this container, this little bowl is a sweet and spicy barbecue sauce along with some ketchup and hot pepper sauce. And so guys, here I'm just mixing my sauce together, and at this point I'm gonna start by coating the drumstick with this sauce. after which I'll be baking at 375 degrees for 30 minutes. So guys, to see the outcome of this beautiful fried barbecue sweet and spicy drumsticks, you need to stay tuned.